All right, so the number one question I always get asked is this actually worth it? Does it actually work? So today we're gonna be talking about this handy tool, and I feel like every single mom needs to have this on hand. It is so amazing, life changer compared to the typical little bulb that you squeeze and release. That thing does not work. Okay, so if you are afraid to use this, first of all, just for all you people afraid, there is a filter. There is a filter. You're not gonna suck boogers into your mouth. That would be disgusting. There's a nice filter there that will prevent that from happening. As you saw, let me pull that off nicely. You can clean this. Cleans up very nice. So the design on this is amazing. Now, do the babies like it? They do not like it. But there's a couple of tricks I have that make it easier to use. So this is my demonstration today. Oh, we're not gonna suck on that. You like it? Okay. So let's say your baby is congested and you need to get those boogers out of their nose. You're simply going to take your hand, and I like to sit in the lap, that way they're sitting upright. If you have any saline, you can squirt that up to release the boogers. That actually is very effective. And then what I like to do is first place it in my mouth, and then I'll get situated. So I'm gonna first place it in my mouth, and then I'm gonna take my hand, and then suck. I'm not gonna demonstrate with him live because he doesn't need it right now, but you can see how I held his hands in one hand, just like that. Now they're not gonna like it, but it's for their benefit, it's for their good. Yeah, definitely get one of these. If you know someone who is expecting, get them one of these. They're gonna thank you forever.